In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sales goals in Pipedrive, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clear, trackable goal in your Insights dashboard, so your team knows exactly what to aim for and how they're progressing. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Make sure you have the right permissions to create goals. If you don't see the options I mentioned, ask your admin to grant access. Once you're in, head to Insights. This is where reporting and goals live, and where you'll later monitor your progress. Inside Insights, look for the Create button and select Goal. This opens the goal setup flow. You'll first choose the goal type. Think about what outcome you want. Are you pushing for more won revenue, more deal volume, more completed activities, or better forecast accuracy? Pick the type that directly supports your sales objectives. Next, choose what you want to track: deal, activity, or forecast. Deal goals are great for revenue or number of wins. Activity goals help you drive leading indicators like calls, emails, or meetings. Forecast goals align your targets with expected pipeline value over time. Select the one that best reflects how you plan to measure success. Now, set your goal details. Adjust the metric to match your use case, such as value versus count for deals, or a specific activity type if you're focusing on behaviors. Keep your criteria as simple as possible so the team knows exactly what counts. Assign the goal to a specific user, a team, or the entire company. Assigning at the team level can create healthy competition, while individual goals make ownership crystal clear. Choose what fits your structure. Specify the pipeline and stage you want to track. For example, you might track won deals in a specific pipeline or measure progress at a particular stage like negotiation. If your target applies across the whole pipeline, keep the stage broad. Set the frequency, which controls how often the goal resets: weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Align this with your review rhythm and sales cycle length. Then define the duration, the start and end dates the goal covers. Use a shorter duration for campaigns or longer for annual targets. Enter your target number, whether that's a revenue amount, a count of deals, or a number of activities. Use recent historical performance to keep it ambitious but achievable. Finally, save your goal. Pipedrive will begin tracking progress automatically in Insights, so you can check performance at a glance, celebrate wins, and course correct early. That's it. Your sales goal is live and ready to drive focus.